guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all about mandala, or some people call it as mandal. I wanted to share with you about its origin, its benefit, and what are the meaning of colors used in mandala. Also, before starting today's video, I wanted to tell you that I will be starting a complete tutorial video on mandala. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update from my channel. So let's begin the video. Most of you have heard about mandala, and some of you are already drawing it. But are you aware that what is mandala in actual? Indeed, mandalas are beautiful to look at, but there's more to mandala than just its ethically teasing love. Simply put, mandala is a circular geometric design that is spiritual or ritual significance. The word mandala comes from ancient Indian language Sanskrit, which means a circle or a center, and symbolizes that everything in life is cyclic and it is never ending. The mandala has been considered as a spiritual symbol in many religions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Talking about the history of mandala, it has been around for so long now that it's quite difficult to pinpoint the exact time. Some say the idea of mandala was spread out when Buddhist monks traveled across Asia to disseminate the name of Gautam Buddha. Along their journey, they brought with them mandalas, so undoubtedly they also taught others how to use or create them too. The first trace of these Buddhist mandala were during the 1st century BC, but it might have started even before then. So Buddhist monks create sand mandala for religious reasons, and it was destroyed after the fulfillment of that reason. Why we draw mandala? What are their benefits? I will tell you that. Mandalas are usually used for meditation purpose, and its intricate design help with that. A mandala is pleasing to the eyes and it allows you to caught in its detail and beauty. As a result, it will help you take your mind off of things that cause you stress. Also, do you know what are the meaning of colors used in mandala? Let me tell you. The color black in the mandala symbolizes mystery, individuality, and deep thinking. White is the focus of spirituality and purity. Red symbolizes passion, high energy, and strength. Orange is a symbol of intuition and self awareness. Yellow symbolizes laughter, joy, and happiness. Green symbolizes the love of nature and care. Blue is suitable for inner peace and meditation and is a symbol of emotional healing. The special color purple symbolizes that everything is spiritual. Pink is a symbol of intuition and love. Hope you guys liked the video.